¿A ustedes les gusta jugar solos o con otros chicos? ¿Les gusta compartir sus juguetes? ¿Les gusta que los otros chicos les presten sus juguetes? Bueno, acá tenemos a dos nenas, two girls, que están teniendo una conversación sobre sus juguetes. Listen.
Listen and read.
What's this? It's my new scooter. Can I play with it, please? Yes, of course. Let's play together. Great.
¿Qué estarán diciendo? Esta nena le pregunta, What's this? Y esta le contesta, It's my new scooter. Can I play with it, please? Can I play with it, please? Yes, of course. Let's play it together. Great. Se la está pidiendo prestada. ¿Les parece que le va a prestar? Yes, of course. Let's play it together. Están por jugar juntas. Great. Let's listen again.
Listen and read.
What's this? It's my new scooter. Can I play with it, please? Yes, of course. Let's play together. Great.
Good. Now let's listen and repeat.
Listen and read.
What's this?
What's this? Come on, repeat. What's this?
It's my new scooter.
It's my new scooter. It's my new scooter.
Can I play with it, please?
Can I play with it, please? Repeat. Can I play with it, please? Again. Can I play with it, please?
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Repeat. Yes, of course.
Let's play together.
Let's play together. Let's play together.
Great.
Great.